All right, I'm going to pick up where I left off yesterday. Well, I'm finished now with insulating my garage door, and I just have a little bit of cleanup on some of the foam down there at the bottom, spray foam that I put in. It required 4 sheets of the green 3/4 inch thick 4x8 foam insulation from Lowe's and 6 cans of great foam, expandable foam. And let me see here. Yeah, this stuff. Gaps and cracks from Great Stuff. 6 cans of that. So, let's see. I want to say it's roughly $130 maybe total. And let me back up here. It actually opens and closes a little quieter now. Not sure if there's any more strain on the garage door opener. It seems to operate just fine, but it's definitely quieter. I'm trying to think. Each of those panels, I don't know how much they weigh exactly, but if they weighed 5 pounds, there's 20 extra pounds on the door right now. So one last thing I might do, just to make it, it doesn't look bad, but just to kind of pretty it up a little bit, I did order 2 rolls of a white vinyl sheet, like a plastic sheet, white vinyl sheet, and 2 rolls of this super heavy duty double-sided adhesive tape. And I will go ahead and run the adhesive tape down each joint, up and down, and then stick on the white vinyl sheet. That'll kind of add a little bit of a air barrier, air gap to here. There's maybe about, let's see, 1/2 inch gap here, if that. 3/8. But I think it'll just clean it up a little bit, make it look cleaner and brighter in here. And let's see, 56 degrees in here. It's 44 degrees outside. So there's 12 degrees difference right now between outside and inside my garage. The door is reading 52.5. Floor is 57. Ceiling 54.5. Thermometer says 56. But I turned on my Mr. Heater earlier and let that run for an hour on high. And here's what I logged. 2 p.m. temperature inside was 51 degrees and 60% humidity. Outside was 44. Ceiling temperature was 54. At 2:30, 58 degrees inside. Ceiling was 60 degrees. So from 44 degrees outside in a half hour, it went from 51 to 58 degrees inside. And then at 3 p.m., a full hour of running my heater, it's 60 degrees inside, and ceiling was 60 degrees. So from 44 outside to 60 inside. So I'm happy with the results of the temperature difference. And like I said the other day, actually I didn't say on a video, but I would take the temperature off of an uninsulated section, and it was reading, I believe, 44 last night, 40 degrees last night. And on an insulated panel that I already had done, I think it had like 3/4 of the door insulated. So a couple of those last panels over there, just the metal skin was reading about 40, and I moved over to the insulated parts of the door that were already completed, and it was reading like 50. So 10 degrees difference just from uninsulated panel to an insulated panel. So I'm happy with the results. It seems to run okay up and down. And like I said, the last thing I might do just to clean it up, make it look prettier inside the garage and brighter, is put the white vinyl sheet on. And I probably will make one last video to let you guys see how that turned out. All right, thanks for watching.